All right, to help you understand the formula for the area of a circle, let's take a circle, okay? And we are going to cut it up into parts. So I'm going to cut this up and I end up with these parts, okay? We cut them up into eighths. So I can arrange them so that when they alternate going back and forth like this. Now, granted, if you can cut them into smaller parts instead of eighths like I did, then you'll get a much clearer picture. It'll create a parallelogram. And we know that the area of a parallelogram is our base times our height. Okay, so I'm going to move all these down here like this. All right, so whoop. Okay, come on. All right, so you can kind of see a rough parallelogram. All right. Ooh, sorry about that. All right. So to find the area of a parallelogram, we take the base of it times the height. So here is the base of our parallelogram. But this is referred to, if you think about it, these are the sides of the circle. So this is half of the circumference. All right. So that's our base. And the height that would normally be in a parallelogram is the radius of our circle. So to break it down, start with the area of a parallelogram because that's what we created a little bit. The base, then it becomes half of the circumference of the circle. So we know that is pi times r, pi times the radius, times the height. We take the height and we say that's the radius of the circle because that's what that is. That's the radius. So it becomes pi times the radius times the radius. When you do radius times radius, you get radius squared. So to find the area of a circle, you take the pi times the radius squared. I hope that helps with the formula.